If you need to request a refund from Google Wallet, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Open Google Wallet. Launch the Google Wallet app on your device or visit the Google Wallet website. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with the transaction you want to refund. Step 2. Locate the transaction. Navigate to your transaction history within the app or website. Find the specific transaction for which you are seeking a refund. This may involve scrolling through recent purchases or using a search function. Step 3. Select the transaction. Once you have located the transaction, click or tap on it to view more details. This will provide you with information about the purchase, including the merchant and the amount. Step 4. Request a refund. Look for an option to request a refund. This may be labeled as request to refund or report a problem. Follow the prompts to submit your refund request, providing any necessary details or reasons for the refund. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your request, monitor your email or notifications for confirmation from Google Wallet or the merchant. Refunds may take some time to process, so be patient as you await updates on your request. In conclusion, following these steps will help you navigate the refund process in Google Wallet effectively. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Google Wallet support for further assistance.